with the help of this presentation. As usual, we are doing. So are you ready for test? So give me thumbs up, consent, so that I will start my test. Kushi 12th. Good morning, sir. Sir, my Zoom app is not working. Just wait. Let me help Kushi. By that time, you just let me see first recording. Working of galvanic cell. Okay, no problem. I will take this. Astha, it is your sound, I think. Okay, no problem. Let's start, dear students. So are you ready? So this is welcome to digital classes. समय 10 से 12 वाला हर घर बने पाठशाला. This is your online live test 5 of chemistry. And as today after holidays, this is the first test. So I'm taking some of the important topics in this test from last 3 chapter, unit 1 to 3. This is a recycle test. So let's start. The general precautions and general measures are same. So let's start with the positive mindset. Distance never kill a relation. Closeness never build a relation. Okay, and it's care of someone's feeling which build faith and maintain relation. Try to understand this. Already we all are, although we all are in our by keeping social distancing, we all are at our home, but it doesn't mean that it will kill the relationship of students and teachers. And same thing when we were in school, though it was sure that closeness was never build a relation until we were not having caring and sharing nature, we were not having attached with the positive feelings. So dear students, I am very much attached to you emotionally as well as psychologically. So one thing always in my mind, that is, how many of you students are taking these classes seriously? How many of you are respecting the work of your teacher? So please take care and respect the work of teachers. Okay, so with this, let's start. The things are same, guidelines are same as it is already told to you. Test will be given on blank page. Everybody will sit in position so that you all should be visible to me. You are doing test. Everybody will enable your camera screen, and test timing is of 20 minutes for 10 questions, and question will display on screen one by one. Each question will display for 2 minutes only. Student has to write answer only with proper questions. The moment test will over, all will send photo of their test pages on my WhatsApp. Student whose test I will get late will consider as absent in test. Answer key will provided to you all after meeting. So all the best. If any problem is there, you can drop on chat box. If I'm not audible, or if suppose some problem is there, so you can drop on chat box. Okay, so let's start with the question number 1. So be ready, listen carefully. If it is not visible, so do ask me again. You by raising thumbs up, I will understand ki you are. So first question number 1 is from electrochemistry, and you have to give the answer. Define. Either you define these two terms, electrochemistry and redox reaction. Define electrochemistry or redox reaction, or define salt bridge and write its two function. So there is option. Either you define these two, Or you can do define salt bridge and write its two function. Do it fast. Electrochemistry and redox reaction, or define salt bridge and write its two function. And everybody's eyes should be on your paper and pen. Okay. Nobody will look here and there, as I am finding now from +1 also, so many smart students, they are doing cheating from background the screen. Khushi, enable your camera, beta. Khushi, enable your camera. Yes, and sit properly. How Asta is sitting? See, then do. Okay, you can do. Is it audible? Give me thumbs up if it is audible. Give thumbs up if it is audible. Okay, thank you. Now you are expert now how to use Zoom. Define electrochemistry or redox reaction, or define salt bridge and write its function. Okay, so time is about to finish. Now I'm going to take second question. The question number second is, from electrochemical cell, you have to do anyone. Okay, explain the chemistry of Voltaic cell and its working with the help of diagram. Explain the chemistry of Voltaic cell and its working with the help of diagram. If you don't know this answer, so then you write main difference between electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. The main difference between electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. Out of these two, do any one question. Mohit, do beta, what happened? Either you can do chemistry of Voltaic cell, get little bit back, Mohit, and it's working with the help of diagram. And my voice is audible, I think enough. From 1 meter also you can listen. So explain the chemistry of Voltaic cell and it's working with the help of diagram. Second, what is the main difference between electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell? Difference between electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. Rajesh is absent. And Vishal is absent. Ankit is absent. So please, group leader will take care and you will ask from them. Then give me, you will tell me reason, okay? Okay, thank you, Meenakshi. Those who have done, they can give thumbs up. They can give me consent so that. Thank you, Anchar. Okay, Astha. Okay, Mansi. Thank you. Thank you, Ronit. Thank you, Dia. So I'm going to move for next question. Question number 3 is from solution colligative property. So it is same, drive any one out of these three: lowering in vapor pressure, or elevation in boiling point, or depression in freezing point. So out of these three, you can do any one derivation, any one derivation, full derivation. Okay. First, you define what is the meaning Then you write the how to drive the formula. Then third, if graph is there, you draw graph. If example is there, you write example. Okay. Drive any one out of these three. Okay, should I, if you have done, so you can give me consent, so I will move for next question. Only girls are sincere. These girls has come in their uniform. Rest boys, whenever you are coming live, you have to wear your uniform. Okay, this is already I have told you so many times. If you have uniform, you will wear uniform whenever you will come live. Asta done. Okay, Mohit, I think you are not getting question. So this is drive anyone, lowering in vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point, and freezing in depression in freezing point. Out of these three, you can do any one. Now, is it audible? You have to do. We have done the colligative property. We have done 4 properties are there. Derivations you have to drive. You write anything about lowering in vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point. Okay, next question is for rest of the students. It is related to important laws. What is Rod's law? Give its 2 limitations. What is Rod's law? Give its 2 limitations. Or define Henry's law and correlate the pressure of gas and its solubility in a solvent and mention 2 applications for this law. It is same question that I asked in last test also. State Henry's law and correlating the pressure of gas and its solubility in a solvent and mention its 2 application. If you don't know this answer, then you do what is Rod's law, give its 2 limitations. What is Rod's law and give its 2 limitations. Is it okay? Am I audible? Fifth question is related to differences between Schottky defect and Frankel defect. And second is difference between ideal gas and non-ideal gas. It's your choice. Out of these two, you can do anyone. How Schottky defect is different than Frankel defect. And second is in choice, what is the difference between ideal and non-ideal gases? So out of these two, you can pick anyone. Mohit, am I audible? Is it okay? Give some response. If is it okay, so then thumbs up. If not, then yes. Okay, thank you. So this was the last question. Do it fast. Then after that, you will click photograph of your test as usual, and you have to send it to me. Okay. Then you will rejoin. Again, you will rejoin with the same meeting ID and password. Because we have 20 minutes. So within these 20 minutes, I am going to teach you or interact with you. Quickly, fast. If those students who have done, they will give me thumbs up and give me consent that you have done, so that I will get a little bit feedback from you. Okay, Ojasvi, thank you. And drop, Ojasvi, whatever you want to ask from me. Quickly, any doubt, anything you want to share, you can drop. Okay, so your time will up within 10 seconds. After that, nobody will write, and within 1 minute, you have to share, you have to send me all the questions. Okay, after that, I'm not going to allow, I'm not going to take anybody's test. I will not consider their test. Those who have done, they can send me. Even I have not got still any test on my WhatsApp. Start leaving and send. Okay, Aman, thank you. Okay, Shriya, thank you. Send fast. You can leave, and later on you will join. Okay, with the same meeting ID you will join. So you can leave the meeting with the same meeting ID. You have to join.